Smashburgers are my favorite style of burger because you get more surface area, more contact with that griddle, so they have the nice crispy edges. We've got our juicy ground beef patties, we've got a tangy, smoky secret sauce, wonderful cheddar cheese, and a soft potato bun. Hi, it's Rhoda from Madein, and I'm here to make the ultimate smashburger. For this recipe, you're gonna need ground beef, a little vegetable oil, butter, mayonnaise, dill pickles and dill pickle juice, a little hot sauce, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, yellow mustard, kosher salt, red onion, soft potato rolls, cheddar cheese, and lettuce. To get started, I'm gonna make our Madein secret sauce. The first thing we're gonna add is mayonnaise. Put it right in your bowl. This is good old Hellmann's mayonnaise. Then I have yellow mustard. Put that right in, and this is a pretty good amount of yellow mustard. Okay, next I have some dill pickle brine. That's gonna add some acidity, some saltiness, some sourness. Then I've got some spices here. I have onion powder and garlic powder to add a little bit of allium flavor, and smoked paprika to really bring out that fiery, smoky taste from the burgers on the grill. You don't wanna go, they're sticking. Not to make it really spicy, but a little bit of heat and a little bit of acid. I'm adding some hot sauce. If you're serving this to kids or people that don't like spicy stuff, you can totally leave it out. But I like to add just a little bit of hot sauce in here. All right. Give it a little taste. It's good. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's a little briny, it's a little smoky. There's no ketchup. It's not pink. I like the little bit of heat, but I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And it should be good to go. With the sauce out of the way, I'm ready to grill. Can't make a smash burger without a griddle, so I've got my Madein griddle heating up on the grill. I'm getting it ripping hot, so I've got it over high heat. I'm gonna let that preheat for a few minutes while I slice my onion. I'm gonna slice it about a 1/4 inch thick, and I'm actually gonna griddle it on the griddle before I cook my burgers. I like red onion because it brings a nice sweetness to the burger. They caramelize nicely on the griddle, and it's a nice color for the burger. Potato roll for burgers. They're just so soft. They have a little bit of sweetness. Butter it up. Got my room temperature butter, and I'm being generous, so don't be shy. It's a burger. When these hit the griddle, they're gonna get golden brown and delicious. So the last thing we have to do is portion out our beef. I have a pound of ground chuck. It's 80% lean, 20% fat. And I'm going to form it into 4 loosely packed balls. I'm gonna keep it pretty loose because that'll make it easier to smash once it's on the grill. This is only a 1/4 pounder, so if you wanted to make it a double, you could certainly put 2 patties on 1 burger, but today I'm just gonna make 4 burgers. So I'm not gonna season this yet. I'm actually gonna wait until I smash this burger flat. The shape is really gonna change, and I'll get a more even coating of salt once it's on the griddle and smashed. My grill is nice and hot. My griddle has been preheating. You might be thinking that griddles are just for pancakes and bacon, but not only do they work inside, they also work outside. And you cannot make a smash burger without a griddle. I'm gonna start by oiling this just a little bit. Carbon steel loves a little oil. All right, we just want a little bit of char on these, and we're just waiting for them to get a little bit soft. So it's gonna be about 2 minutes per side. We'll give that a minute. Onions are coming off. Look pretty good. It's time to smash some burgers. I'm gonna use this heavy-duty stainless steel grill press. Just a little bit of oil to make sure it doesn't stick. So we have not seasoned these yet. We're gonna get them on the griddle, and I'm going to quickly smash them in the first 30 seconds or so. Nice. These don't have to be perfectly round. In fact, the kind of uneven edges give you more kind of crispy, charred bits, which make this burger so delicious. So don't worry about being perfect. Totally okay if you have uneven edges. And now I'm gonna season, because I wanted to wait until I had a flat surface area to really season evenly. So liberal salt. When you start to see the juices accumulating at the top of the patty, then you know they're ready to flip. Medium is kind of ideal, and you're looking for about 2 minutes per side. I think we're ready to flip. Don't press it again, but give it a little bit more salt just to season the other side. And the cheese goes on. About 2 more minutes. Ooh, these look gorgeous. You've got your crispy, uneven edges, and the burger should be nice and juicy throughout. All right, now it's time to toast my buns. This type of hamburger bun is so soft that it's a really nice contrast to get that kind of crispy toasted interior with the soft exterior. It just makes for a better experience for the whole burger. Let's check our buns. Ooh, that looks nice. Look at that even heat. This is like the perfect level of golden brown and delicious. The best part. Our smoky, tangy, mustardy sauce, and I'm gonna put it on the top and the bottom bun. Lots of mustard, it's gonna be delicious. Pickles are up next. Little couple on here. Here we go. And another pickle, and now I'm ready for my patties. Got our nice smashed patties. They have those uneven, crispy edges that make them so much more delicious to eat. Okay, I've got a little grilled onion and put on top. Last but not least, a little lettuce for some fresh, crunchy, green. Close them up. Okay, that one, that one, that one, that one. So happy to be down here in Texas making these smash burgers today. They look beautiful. I can't wait to try one. These are so good. That grill press felt like the perfect weight for me to really smash these onto the griddle. Even heat made a really nice golden brown crust on both sides of the patty. Bun is perfectly toasted. I love that I could just cook everything on one piece of equipment. So good. I really hope you try them. They are really excellent. I'm Rhoda from Madein, and I'll see you next time.
Woo! Yeah!
Mustard, mustard, mustard. I love mustard. Mustard. Then I have yellow mustard, mustard. And this is a pretty good amount of yellow mustard. So this is a mustard. Lots of yellow mustard.